guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will be installing a new MCD Impulse Shade in the bathroom of our motorhome. It is a 2005 Tiffin Phaeton.
Right here, this is the night shade. It's more of a fabric type material. And then there's the day shade just throughout the coach. They work flawlessly. But anyway, yeah, we've been pretty satisfied with them. So whenever it was time to replace the ones in the bathroom, we were like, yeah, let's just go ahead and get this done.
The first thing we need to do is remove these outdated mini blinds.
All right, so to get the mini blinds out of these two clips, you just pry back from back to front and these clips will fly open like that. Then you're just going to lower the mini blind down. After that, there's just 4 square drive screws that you pull out, and those that enclosure there will come off. The shades needed to be adjusted so that the upper set limit was raised. So to do so, there are 2 screws over here. You turn them clockwise to lower and counterclockwise to raise the shades. So now that I've adjusted it, it sits where it's supposed to. It was sitting like this before I adjusted it. They were too long, but now that I've adjusted it, they will actually retract all the way now where I want them to. Anyway, the adjustment screws are on this side, the tension screws are on this side, and that's here in the instructions. Anyway, as you can see here, I'm on Camping World's website, and you can order. This is the exact same size shade that I ordered. It's $265.49 before I used I had a 20% coupon for Camping World, so it came off quite a bit. You go through here, select your colors, select the length, the width, and then you're good to go. Now, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks is what they say. It took right at about 5 weeks for them to ship it to me. So here's on MCD's website. Now, if you look, this is the same exact shade, the Impulse Duo Day and Night Shade. Look how much more expensive it is. So yeah, you're much better, even if you don't have a coupon, buying it from Camping World. So be sure and take a look at that before you purchase. All right, guys, so we got her installed. Our impressions of it are really good, actually. About 7 or 8, maybe even 10 years ago, I put these in, and they're MCD shades also. So we knew what the quality of the material was going to be. We knew what the quality of the hardware and all of that, as far as the rolling mechanism and the spring and the durability. We felt comfortable, going with the same type shade for the bathroom, and getting rid of those ugly mini blinds. They rattled and made all kinds of noise, but it was super easy install, don't you think?
Yeah.
And we're happy with the purchase. So anyway, if you guys have any questions or comments, just give us a shout, and we'll be sure to answer any questions you have. Jake, you got anything to say?
Rough.
Jake's good. All right, guys. See you soon.
Bye.